Ignitions Entertainment Sounds.
Give 'em that fire. Give 'em the flame. DJ Shaheen, the Deck Terrorist, or the CEO of Terrorist Nation Entertainment.
DJ Ignatius, the Deck Assassin.